What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have another Hot Wheel case unboxing. We got a whole case right here, and this is a Hot Wheel K case. Yes, I do know I have done one of these before, but when these first came out and I saw what cars were going to be in them, I actually pre-ordered an extra one because I definitely loved a lot of the cars and wanted to get some extras, especially for my personal collection. Also have some friends who collect cars that are interested in getting some of these as well. So hey, at least now I'll be able to guarantee some of those for them. But I will also have like pretty much all of these, I believe, on my merch store. So there's going to be a link in the description down below, shopmtparadise.com. So if you guys are interested in picking up some of these cars, I only have like the good condition ones on there. If they're damaged, bends, creases, I won't have them on there, but all the good condition ones, definitely. But also, whenever you guys hop on there, I am still doing a giveaway. It goes until the end of June, so you do not want to miss out on that. I'm giving away this Hot Wheel RLC AMC Javelin AMX. I think that thing looks pretty cool. It's very detailed and is a really awesome car. There's only 30,000 in the world, and this is number 213. So definitely a low production number, so don't miss out on that. Like I said, hop onto my store. Whenever you guys pick up stuff, you automatically get entered into it. But let's go ahead and carefully lay this on its side, and then we're going to go ahead and open up the case. But like I said, the giveaway will be live until the end of the month, so definitely go check it out while you can. I have a lot of Hot Wheel Premium, Mainline, RLC, collector cars, Fast and the Furious cars, a bunch of stuff on there, so you do not want to miss out. And most, actually pretty much almost every kind of category I have. I even have Super Treasure Hunts on there now, and regular treasure hunts, so category for each of those. So definitely go check that out. But let's go ahead and open this up here, and let me see, there we go. Now let's start right up on top and start pulling these out and checking them out. Alright, they're already kind of sitting weird here. I don't know what the deal is. Okay, let's see. Hopefully nothing's damaged. Maybe they're just sitting kind of tight. Alright, let's see what we got. So we got the Baja Bison T5, the Total Disposal, and the T-Rex Royer. Alright, we got a couple of cool cars here. So you got the Rink Racer, the Speed Bump, which is a pretty cool kind of crushed car, and then we have the Custom 68 Camaro. Ooh, okay, I got some cool ones in this pull. So we got the Bumblebee right here, we got the Volkswagen Beetle, and it's the Transformer, has the logo right there. You see it better in the picture. You got the Transformers, which is pretty cool because Transformers is Hasbro, and they just recently did the Hot Wheel RLC Optimus Prime, and then this is the other kind of Transformers car that made it into the Hot Wheels lineup. So I'm definitely going to be opening up. I think this one actually looks like it's in great condition, so I'm probably not going to open this one up unless I get a duplicate maybe. But I already do actually have one of these available on my website, so definitely go check it out. But I do want to add one to my 6-lane raceway because I do YouTube shorts every single day racing Hot Wheels, and it'd be really awesome to add that to the list. But we also have this Track Dwagon, and then the 1995 Mazda RX-7. Alrighty. Ooh, okay, we got a Mod Rod, a 70 Dodge Charger, and it's actually from Fast and the Furious, and it's the tuned one, which like I think looks really cool. And then we also have a Mailed It. Ooh, that's really nice. I don't remember seeing that the first time I opened up a case. Got the Lay-In Lowrider, but maybe I just kind of forgot about it. That's pretty cool. I know somebody recently did ask me about lowriders on my shop, so I will definitely make sure that this makes its way over to that. It's actually in pretty good condition, so yeah, I'm definitely going to have that on there. So that's pretty cool. We got another Rink Racer and then another Total Disposal. Wow, that's kind of interesting pull. We got two of the same cars in the same pull. Got the 90 Acura NSX, the Chrysler Pacifica, and then another 90 Acura NSX. And those NSXs look really cool. Not gonna lie, they're pretty awesome. Oh, wow, okay, I do like that one right there. So we got the Batman Animated Series Batmobile, which looks pretty cool. Got all the yellow lines on top. But we have the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. That thing looks absolutely amazing, and you got the Liberty Walk right there. That thing's pretty cool. Then we have the 84 Mustang SVO. Ooh, this is, oh, perfect. Okay, I'm actually really excited. I just got a damaged car because it's one that I really want to open. We have the 1996 Porsche Carrera, which, as you can see, this thing looks pretty awesome. It is a Magnus Walker car, but the tab is completely folded backwards. I really wanted to open one of these, and I didn't want to open a great condition one. So I do have a couple available on my merch store, but I now be able to have this one. I'm just going to open it up right here, right now. Might as well. So, wow, this thing looks awesome. But check that out. I really like all the detail. I really like that color scheme on it with that blue, and they got the yellow on there, gold wheels. Man, that Magnus Walker car looks absolutely amazing. I've been really excited to be able to get this and add it to my lineup, and at least now we can already open one up and be able to race it in some upcoming Hot Wheel racing videos. And then the other cars, I do want to open up one of these at some point, is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento in white with red. And then we have another 95 Mazda RX-7. Alright, we have the Birthday Burner, the Pontiac Aztec Custom, and the Dragster. Oh, okay. We got a Land Rover Series 2, which looks pretty cool. And then we have the Rally Speciale. And then the Later Crater. Oh, okay. Wow. So we got the 24/7. We got the Bone Shaker. And it's not just a regular Bone Shaker. This right here is the Treasure Hunt. So right there's the red Treasure Hunt logo. And let's see if we can flip that around. You can see right there behind the car, you got the Treasure Hunt logo right there. This thing is absolutely amazing. I did not know if we were going to get that or not, but wow, that is a really cool Bone Shaker. It's finished in white. And I believe there's like a black version of this with white accents on it. So it's kind of cool seeing that reverse of it. But wow, this is even like really good condition as well. And wow, that is awesome. Man, I'm really excited about that one. So let me just go ahead and set that aside so that nothing happens to it. And then we also have the Gru-mobile from Minions or Despicable Me. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and the last three cars for the first half of the case. We have the 73 Jeep J10, the Pagani Zonda R, and the Baja Bison T5. However, the Pagani is actually pretty messed up, and not only just bent, but the corner's pretty beat up on each side. Even has some damage up here as well. This was also one that I really wanted to open up, and fortunately, yeah, now I have another one that's damaged that I can open up and be able to add to the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I don't know if I'm going to open up this exact one. Maybe I'll get one that has a worse package. But we will see. Let me just set that aside because I might go ahead and do that in this video. Now let's go ahead and remove the divider in the case. Alright, so let's go ahead and start on the second half of this case. Oh, once again, they are stuck. So let me just... What the heck? Okay, yeah. So let me pull out these first. I don't know why they're stuck or what's going on. It's kind of stuck to the package. I don't know. What in the heck? Oh, it's like the edge is... Yeah, some of the edge of the cards were stuck to the bottom of the box. These ones are a bit damaged. Yep, all three of these are damaged. So yeah, I'm definitely not going to be able to have these on my merch store, but maybe at least one of these I'll be able to open up, put on my 6-lane raceway. But we have the glow-in-the-dark duck and roll, which I actually do have some of these in great condition. And then we have the Desert Drifter, and then the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. That actually looks really cool. All right. And now next up, We did not get the Super Treasure Hunt. So if we did get it, it would have been the Mazda 787B. And I think this one looks absolutely amazing. I really like that race livery they have on it. It looks really cool. Man, that thing looks awesome though. But then we also have the 2010 Camaro SS and another Batman animated series Batmobile. All right. Oh, we got a couple cool ones in here. Well, actually, one. We got the Gnoloon Hypervan, however you say that. The Mod Rod, and then the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. And the finish on that is like a Zamac car, but it's not technically a Zamac, but the finish kind of looks like it. Like, it honestly looks exactly the same. So I guess it's like an unofficial Zamac. I don't know. That's pretty cool though. Alright, and then we have the Mad Mike Drift Attack Mazda 787. Got the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, which looks pretty cool. I really like that color on it. And then we have the 92 Ford Mustang. Alright, we got another Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Another Gnoloon Super Hypervan. Honestly, I don't even know how to say that. You can let me know if you guys can kind of figure that out. But then also another Birthday Burner. Ooh, okay, we got another one that I really like. There's the Surf Duty, the Custom 68 Camaro, but I'm really excited about that McLaren P1, finished in that really nice kind of beautiful blue there. And it even kind of has like a sparkle to it with like a little bit of a green kind of reflection. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, that is awesome. So you got the Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6. It's the Porsche 964. It's obviously tuned, and it's like a maroon color. We did see that in black in some of the previous cases, and this one looks really cool. We also have the DeLorean Alpha 5. It's kind of finished in like almost like a bronze kind of orange color. And then the Tanknator. Oh, okay, we got another. Dang, we actually have one of these cars is damaged. We got another Pagani Zonda R, and this one does have a damaged package as well. And that one's actually creased all down the side right here. So I think this one's actually in significantly better condition than the other one. So maybe I'll keep one of these in the package, maybe this one, and I'll open up the other. I mean, you know what? Let's just go ahead and open it right now, because I really do want to add one of these to my 6-lane raceway. So why not just go ahead and do it now? But wow, look at that thing. It looks super amazing. I really like that look in yellow. Got the Pagani logo right there. Man, that looks so cool. So definitely stay tuned on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. This will now be added. So that would be really cool. We also have another Fast and the Furious Dodge Charger. This tune does have some damage on it as well, unfortunately. I do still have a couple good ones on my shop. And then we have this 2010 Camaro SS with that severely bent corner. Alright, we're getting down to the bottom here. Oh, okay, we got another Magnus Walker Porsche 911 Carrera. And this one's actually has a little bit of some dents and dings in it, which is pretty unfortunate, but at least it's not too bad. And we have another Duck and Roll, and surprisingly, I think this one's in great condition. So I don't know how that happened. Then we also have the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Oh, okay, so we got another tracked wagon, a Bugatti Bolide in yellow, which I also do plan on opening up one of these at some point. And this one does have a crease in the card. So, I mean, honestly, that's good enough for me. It's not a perfect card, so why not go ahead and rip it open? I don't feel any difference with this. And actually, in the package, it looked a lot brighter. But in person, it's like kind of like more of like a darker, a little bit more subtle yellow. But I think that thing looks absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to add this to my collection as well. I like that yellow around the wheels. But we did previously see that one in blue, but it's really cool seeing it in yellow now. And then we have a 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko and finished in purple, which actually looks really nice. I kind of like that. It does have like a little ding in the corner, but I'm not going to open up one of those. Actually don't have that much room for all the Jeskos. Got a few more cars to go. So you got another DeLorean Alpha 5, a 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, which I still really like that color, and then a Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. And the last three cars for this case, ooh, we got another McLaren P1 finished in that really nice blue. And this one's actually in great condition, so that's actually amazing. And we got another Mad Mike Drift Attack Mazda and a Later Crater. So this case had some pretty interesting damage. A lot of the cars are beat up, but a lot of them are actually in great condition. If you guys are interested in picking up some of these, they will be on my merch store. And like I said, if you guys pick up some, you automatically get entered into the giveaway for this Hot Wheel RLC AMC Javelin AMX. So definitely don't miss out. The end of the month is when this is over. So definitely do it before time runs out because you do not want to miss out on this giveaway. But if you guys did like this video, go down, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I have case unboxings all the time. Hot Wheel races as YouTube shorts every single day. So definitely you don't want to miss out on all that. Plus all kinds of new Hot Wheels coming every single week. Pretty much, or even multiple times a week. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.